Alright, so here is a test of how many rounds I can fire. This is a mag mid cap. It is fully loaded to 190 rounds. And I wanted to do this without an optimized tuning or anything like that. It's just set up for another upper. I threw this one on. So I've got this little compressor all set up. Just this little Craftsman guy. It just freshly filled. And I'm going to see how many rounds it takes to empty this. I don't expect many, but we'll see. Wow. Okay then, so that was 190 rounds and it still hadn't kicked on. So let's just keep going. Yeah, I'm not sure how many rounds that was, but it was definitely like 250 or 260 maybe. That's pretty cool. This setup works really good. Thanks for watching.